So it's just nearing the end of the re-imaging the hard drive. So I'll just zoom in there and show you. Just turn off the lights. See a little better. So if you want to restart your computer now, has been restored and will automatically restart in 16 seconds. So that's it, it's now done. You can click on restart now, but you can wait for this box to, and it'll just restart on its own. So now restore completed successfully, and it's turning off. So we'll turn on the lights again. Press any key to boot from CD, we don't want that, so you can just remove your external hard drive now, if you want. So now that's the system re-imaged, the netbook re-imaged, and now it's going to start up into boot into Windows. You can see it there. And it's just a matter of logging in. If you had a password on your system's image that you made, it will be the same password again. That's the welcome screen there. And you'll see that Samsung SSD 840 series ATA device. So it's just saying that you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Before restarting, save any open files and close all programs. Restart now. So it's after installing new drives for this new hard drive. So it needs to recognize them, so it has to shut down and restart. So I'm going to click restart now. Okay, I hope you can see that. I'll just zoom in on it so you can see what I'm talking about. So you must restart your computer to apply the changes. So it needs to restart in order to apply the driver for the hard drive, for the new solid state drive. So I'm going to click restart now, this guy here, and you can remove your external hard drive now as well if you want. And then it'll just boot up again. Again, that little sign there, it's just that it's an external the DVD player plugged in. So I'm just going to disconnect that now as well. Please wait. And there you are, back into the welcome screen again. The user account. So just type in your password. And that's it. That's the complete drive that I imaged from the hard drive that we made. So you can see it there, Kevin. Zoom in. So it's the exact same drive and everything is on it. I'm just going to documents and just see. I know straight away by looking at it, yeah. All those files are files I had on this system. So So now if you had a backup and you had made the systems image say 6 months ago, and then after you had made the systems image on this guy, once you make the systems image, after you have made the systems image, then you have to start making backups daily. You should be doing it if the data on your computer is very important to you, but weekly is good enough for most people. And then you'll have, say from 6 months ago, you made your systems image, and then you started backing up your computer after that, and all that data then would be on another one of these external hard drives. It's best to keep them separate, the backup and the systems image on 2 separate external hard drives, so you won't get confused. Once you re-image your hard drive because you were having some kind of difficulty, then you get your other hard drive that you used for backing up your computer and apply all the data that was on that, and then you'll have, from 6 months ago, you'll have all that data plus what's on the systems image plus your new data that you've done since the systems image on the other external hard drive. Again, I have videos to show you how to do those, a proper backup as well. So that's it. I hope that has helped someone to sort out their laptop, netbook, desktop problems. So 90% of problems will be fixed by this external systems image, and then of course the other kind of 10% of problems then are caused by hardware, like motherboard, RAM, your screen, or your graphics that are inside on the motherboard. So that's pretty much it. So 2 most important things to do when you get a laptop or a desktop or a netbook is make a systems image, put it on an external hard drive, then start making backups every week or every day, whichever suits you best, and also make a systems repair disk. Alright, and have that, keep them safe, in a safe if possible. Waterproof safe is best, so that if anything ever happens, you'll always have that. So countless times it saved me these systems images, and then you just apply it onto the drive, and hey presto, you have your exact same system back up again. Okay, so thanks for watching.